unless of course we form a new high like this and break it up. In this case, I'll update my alert from here till here. That's for Algo. For Matic, also a very interesting one. If you go to daily, also a massive support here, also a channel. So we're rejecting this channel now. And when we trade higher like this, expect what here? A correction, okay? Just like previously. So like this is how you could feel, or you could know that we are now overbought just from a channel. This is in fact the offset of this one. Okay, so this is why you know that you are currently overbought. Price went up and then traded lower again. Now I made it like this to like follow the price action more. So now if we go higher like this is a massive zone, and also a support and resistance starting from here. So as we trade higher, this would be a resistance area. Now for the bulls to take over, if we go to H4, we can see that we are inside the consolidation here. I personally make it higher to fill these wicks. So, oops, let me catch it. That's it. Okay, so I'm waiting for a break H4 at least above this area for the bulls to take over. In this case, we'll be expecting further bullish movements. That's it for Matic. Next, what we have on the list, Link. Nice. Okay, on Link, we broke above this high and we traded higher. We even had a classic retest and we traded higher. From daily, for bulls to take over from a long-term perspective, I still want to see a break above the 10. In this case, we'll be expecting this movement. For now, we are trading this range upward and downward. If we retest this support again, I'll be looking for buy setups. If we go to H4, can't really say much. From H1, we can draw a channel, right? So that's it. Here we go. Channel connecting these lows, and guess what we'll do? We'll make an offset for it. That's it. So now if we trade lower till this area, we'll be looking for buy setups around this previously, like a previous major high broken upward. That's why I see my alert also here that if we retest this area, I'll be looking for buy setups. Okay, on near, around the massive demand support and so on. Okay, so like previously, this was the high. I was waiting for a break above, so didn't get broken. H4. Okay, we are currently here inside this consolidation. This is my last high. Of course, we can draw it like this, but I made it for extra confirmation above this supply zone, above this area. That's why you see my alert here. I'm waiting for a break above it for the bulls to take over. In this case, I'm expecting a bullish movement on near till around this resistance zone. Okay. Also, you can draw a channel like this to speculate where the bulls might be taking over. And this is exactly what I was talking about. Impulse, impulse. We drew the channel by these dots. We made an offset to the lowest point, and here we go. Right? We could speculate that we might see some reaction here. For the bulls to take over, we need to see a break above this. In this case, we'll be expecting a bullish movement till this resistance lining up with this trend line. Okay. I'll go over one more. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Or you want to go over a specific one? I'm just gonna ask, like, following the list. Atom, support and resistance. Look at this strong support. If you go to weekly, you can even see it better, right? So previously a resistance here, then a support, and now we are retesting it. Okay. If we break it down just like here, we'll be expecting further bearish movement till the next support around 5. For now, it's a support, so we're looking for buy setups. Just like near, very similar. We have we have this major high, or if you want like to be extra conservative, simply make it a little bit higher till this high. Okay, so waiting for a break above it for the bulls to take over. Okay, on Kava, I'm not sure why I have it here, but maybe someone requested it previously. But it's a good example for the channels. Here we go. So this is a support zone. For the bulls to take over, we need to see a break above this resistance and above this last major high. Meanwhile, we'll be looking for bus stops here around the support zone. Also, it would be this channel, as you clearly see. If you trade lower, it will be approaching it. So looking for bus stops. So long-term perspective, waiting for this break, and then we'll be expecting a movement till the 2.7, which would be the upper bound of this channel. Meanwhile, especially the lower we get, the better. Okay, the lower we approach the support, the better the setup would be. And we can even draw a channel right here. That's it. So we might go flat before breaking it upwards. And this is the last high right here. For bulls to take over, you need to see a break above it, and then we'll be expecting this movement. Okay, that's it. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, you know what? Meanwhile, while you are typing, let me go for one more. MKR maker. For bulls to take over from a long-term perspective, we need to see a break above the 1K or 1.1K, which would be expecting this if we break above this high. Meanwhile, we are retesting this support area, okay, around 600, 500. Looking for bus stops. Also, I have my two alerts, okay, one here and one here. The first one is from this one, and the second one is from this one. So it depends on you if you want to go for this or this. Okay, but these are the highs that I'm looking for. Before I buy, I want the buyers to prove to me they are strong enough to at least break a high. Okay, so that's it. Okay, someone, okay, Blaz asking about VLX. This would be the last one for today. And let me check Bittrex if we have data. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, VLX on this one around the all-time low, around 0.02. Okay, also we can see a major high right here, lining up with this major low, sorry, and lining up with a round number, I guess 0.05. Yeah, that's it. It's a fantastic one. If you go to daily, for Boost to take over from a long term, and also, yeah, also, we got what? A channel. Make an offset for it. That's it. For Boost to take over, we need to see a break above this major high, above 0.05. I want a daily candle close, not only wicks like this. Okay, I want a daily candle close above this. In this case, we'll be expecting a bullish movement. Oops, let me make it back. Okay, meanwhile, here we go. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, Blaz. Very good choice. Okay, we got a wedge pattern, but keep in mind, this wedge pattern is not like that good, because if we break below this, expect further bearish movement till the minus. I'm sorry. Okay, so expect further bearish movement. Always remember, no matter how cheap a coin is, it can still get lower. No matter how strong a support is, no matter if it's around the all-time low, it can still go lower. Okay, this is why we don't buy blindly, no matter how cheap it is. We wait for the bulls to take over first. So if we go higher now and break above the 0.05, it would be a massive signal that the bulls are taking over, because we would break above a major high, above the trend line in red, above the trend line in brown, above the 0.05 round number. So if this happens, then we'll go long. If not, I don't want to be a part of this one for now. Okay, because we can still go lower and lower. Okay, okay, sure. Plus, happy to see you here. Happy to see you happy, and to see you requesting something. Joseph, hope you're doing good. Joseph, since you are here, let's go for this one as the last one. We don't really have much to add. That is it. For boost to take over, I'm still waiting a break above this high right here, above the 2. And by break, I mean a daily candle close above it. In this case, we'll be expecting a bullish movement. Meanwhile, we are just around support and we are sitting here. We can still go lower. Okay, so this is basically it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions uh, before we end the session. Cheers. Mac, dear boss, happy to see you here. Sustain Empire and Mark, I didn't say hello. Hope you're doing good. Okay, so I'll talk Bukhari, Joseph, DJ, Mac, Mark, Sustain Empire, Ushenna, Crypto, Lamp. Happy to see you here today. Be safe, trade safe, and let's see how the Fed share like a speech today, how it will affect the market after like 30 minutes. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully next week, same day, same time. Goodbye, everyone.